Hello, I'm Clare. I'm here at the Fat Quarter Shop studio today to talk to you about my Wordsmith book, which is so much fun to write. A wordsmith is one who creates with words. And I wanted to keep a journal of our family. I've got two boys, and I wanted to keep a journal of our family with beautiful illustrations and lovely photographs and handwritten notes about what we were doing. And I bought all the supplies, which is the easy bit. I'm not very good at keeping up with the journaling, and I wasn't really enjoying the process. And then one day I realized that all I really needed to do was to stitch our memories. So this is what the book's about. It's about stitching your memories and collecting them in cloth. Instead of in paper, we collect things in cloth because we're textile lovers. So that's the whole idea of the book. I'm going to give you a little glimpse through some of the pages. The Wordsmith is an alphabet, so it's structured by the alphabet. There's an alphabet quilt, there's alphabet projects in there, but it tells you a little bit about how you can go about making your own memory cloth, your own memory quilt. So here we go, here we go. It's me in my little studio at home. This is my Henry and his friends playing in the garden on one of the alphabet quilts. So A is for alphabet. So I've given you, it's structured with the alphabet. You've got a project and an idea for every letter of the alphabet, and it's to give you an idea of how you can present your own ideas and how you can go about making your own memory cloth. Lots of full colour illustrations. It was so much fun to do, and I've got this beautiful paper insert that adds another layer of interest. So B is for budgie and bird. I've given you lots of little glimpses into my art practice as well. So there's little watercolours and things, little poems, and I try to bring it all to life. Lots of different techniques for you to try out. There's G for goldfinch, beautiful iridescent insect wings. So it's a really inspirational book. I hope it is. It's a really inspirational book full of lots of ideas for you to do. H is for handprints and my son Henry. Here you go. Lots of fun with the children jumping. It's for lines. These are all our family anecdotes, and then each letter gives you a pieced block that you can make, so you can make yourself beautiful, beautiful memory quilts. Here's the alphabet quilt here. You see it all comes together, and these are all instructions, are all in the book for you. So that's the Wordsmith. You can create with words, and it's all available through the Fat Quarter Shop.